Rain washes in and the boats start to race. The humidity broke. I still remember the taste. Mud squished through our toes and it gave Mom the blues. I remember it all through rose-colored hues, and the boats went flying along. We kept our socks on and white cotton turned brown. I turned to see Mom, she was smiling with a frown. And we didn't have a lot and didn't always have a say, but we were learning to grow and we knew how to play. And we raced those boats down the road till the end and lived boldly in the pretend. Our shoes were outgrown, we had new things to chase. We were learning life's games and finding our place. Summers went by and we ran from the rain, though we really did think we'd all stay the same as those boats kept flying along. Off to work and I step in some sand. I brush the mud off with the palm of my hand. I look up at the kids as they play in the rain. Their white socks are brown